Hello everyone and welcome to another video of Tech Help Guy. Today I'll be showing you how you can use Notion and sync it with your Google Calendar. So this is a very simple tutorial, so just make sure to keep your eyes peeled and just follow these simple instructions and you will be able to link your calendars as well. So very simple. Let's first open up our Google. So we are already here in Notion. So on the right, or on the left rather, corner of the screen, we can find here calendar. So let's just first open this. And then afterwards, here you can already see that Notion is displaying if you want to connect with Google. So let's just click continue with Google. So if you're new to Notion, this would automatically appear. And here you need to allow access for your Google Calendar as well as the contacts. So by clicking this, you grant all permission boxes already. So let's just click continue to Google permissions. And then let's add in our account. So let's continue and then select all. And then afterwards, everything should fall into place. So it already welcomes you. Welcome to Notion Calendar. So it's already connected with your Google Calendar. And we'll try this out today as well. So let's try to add something here. Let's say today is Tuesday. So let's add here 5 p.m. Let's say production. Okay. And then let's type that in. So once that event is settled, everything should work here in our calendar. So if we open our calendar, it's already here, production. So everything is already included in Notion and Google. So everything is in sync. If you add something in Google, it will also add in Notion. So that's a good thing about these two applications being synced together. So let's say production 2. Let's save that. And then if we go to calendar to Notion, it's already there. So yeah, very simple, very basic. Just open up your Notion and then what you want to do is just head over to calendar and then sync it with your Google account. And that's it. You're done. We hope this video was able to help you out and good luck on your calendar journey. At the same time, if you did like this video, please don't forget to hit the like, share, and of course, the subscribe button. And we'll see you on the next tutorial.